Your answer can be really brilliant, okay, but it can still get a low score. Why? Kasi minsan hindi mabasa. So, some law schools are still handwritten no ang exam. So, pag handwritten, make sure that there is legible yung inyong mga sagot. So, if the examiner can't read it, they can't really grade it. Okay, so an ungraded brilliance is useless brilliance. So you need to write clean, you need to space it out, you don't cram your words, don't make your letters look like a prescription of a doctor. So bar examiners, technically they're old, no, sorry. But they're not your fans. They're tired humans, no, with hundreds of answers to scan. So help them help you. Okay? So presentation is part of the performance. If your answer looks messy, it will feel wrong. Make it readable, make it gradable.